Okay, so I got yesterday wrong, as usual. Today's 9/19. Today is a much better day. New medicine. And the new meds, I can tell you, are much better. Oh boy. So we're not having a repeat of yesterday, thank God. That was intolerable. I won't apologize for it. It was all very real, and that's what momentary psychosis looks like. I'm not happy that, that happened, but it did. We're just going to pretend like that didn't happen. That's what we're going to do. Shit. I went to the gym earlier, and I don't ever go to the gym and then throw afterwards because I do tricep work and it messes up my throw. So this one may not be a great session. I'm not worried about it. My hip freaking hurts too today for some reason. I don't know what I did. I don't even sleep on this side, but for some reason, dude, I beat the hell out of my leg. Don't know what I did. Yeah. I've lost a bit of fine motor control for some of this. But yeah, this new medicine has me feeling a lot more regulated. Yesterday was a nightmare. And that crap lasted until damn near midnight. I mean, it was just, oh man. Damn it, stop doing that. My freaking phone keeps keeps slipping off the damn thing. I've not had that happen but like 3 times in my entire throwing career, and 2 of them are today. Anyway. I don't feel like I have as good a motor control right now as I want, and that might be part of the medicine. I don't feel off as far as that goes, just something feels like it's not quite there, and I'm sure it's probably from the exercise earlier. Because almost every time I throw, it's early in the morning, and I haven't gone and done any excessive exercise. So, exercise is the art of destroying your muscles to make them grow back bigger. So, it stands to reason if you beat the hell out of them before you come in here to throw, that they're not going to be exactly at their top potential. One should think, man, why does my hip hurt? Please stop. Seriously? Not so good. Bro, you fucking do that again. Was I wearing this outfit yesterday too? Shit, I don't even remember. Ugh. You're welcome. This is not going to go well, I can already tell. I just don't have I ain't got it. God damn it. I ain't got it together today. In a variety of ways. No less. Oh, come on, dude. Follow through. think that previous tricep work is messing with my follow through here. I felt like that went through, but it didn't. Excuse me. This medicine's kind of messing with my stomach a little bit, though. I had some furious insomnia last night, too. Yeah, I take this stuff at bedtime. So I think, okay, I'll take it about 11 o'clock. It'll totally knock me out like the other stuff tried to do in an hour or so. At 4 a.m. I was still awake. So that was not so good. It's okay, I don't think that's going to happen tonight. I don't think. That's the thing, this stuff is weird, man. Like, I'm not hungry and I'm not tired. It's odd. And it's messing with my taste a little bit too, which really sucks because my taste is already completely jacked from another issue I don't want to talk about. But it's just kind of suck. Like, it's making my food taste kind of funny, and and I just have no appetite, which is strange. I mean, I'm not a tiny guy. I mean, I do need a decent amount of food in a day. Just for some, like, these last 2 days, I've eaten like half as much as usual. So I don't know about that, man. Shit. It's good for fat loss, yeah, but it's a little bit. I'm not really trying to lose these guns neither now, am I? In fact, they need to grow. These things are like 17s at best. Lefty might be, righty's not. My right arm is at least a half inch smaller than my left, and it is what it is. Which one do you think you use more? Yeah, boy. Got him. Oh, you suck. I'm not going to take any of these personally. You know, what's making them go bad? I don't know. I don't care. It's not. Let's not disturb ourselves with the answer to that. Is it medicine messing me up? Is my arm being tired? Is it something else? We just ain't gonna worry about it. That'll work. I've hit like 3 bullseyes today. This has been. Oh, yeah, boy. Crap. Bro, how you gonna forget where to stand, you moron? Come on. Dude. I think that's the right one. Jesus. What can you do, boys? What can you do? Oh! Ho ho! Looks like that was a spot, wasn't it? That's right, baby. That's right. I still don't think I'm happy. Whatever I'm feeling right now is 1,000,000 times better than what I was feeling like yesterday. Man, there was a lot of stuff going on. It just was a. I don't know if you've ever had your brain on fire. Well, that's what yesterday was like. And the day before it, too, it was pretty bad. Bad couple of days. Bad couple of days. probably made for some pretty compelling viewing, I suppose. Ah. I stand by everything I said, too. I don't lie, ever. You shouldn't screw people over. It's not cool. Man, this is bad, dude. I don't want to keep throwing these because this sucks. This is not going good. Man, come on. Why are you doing that? I'm just going to have to chalk this up to just something and just say screw it. There's too many underlying factors this could be. I'm just, again, trying not to take it personally. I'm just not, something's off, got me off a little bit. Just not quite on top of my game. As obviously, I hope that'll iron itself out in there too, maybe. I'm hoping that maybe my appetite and stuff will even itself out too, maybe. I think I'm going to have to alter my food intake a little bit, and I hate that. It has taken me so long to finally find some foods I can eat. And as soon as I can finally eat something regularly, I get like a month of that, and now I'm back to this. Now the medicine's messing with me, and I got to find new food. Come on, man. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing it to us? What, man? Why? You ain't helping. You're not helping yourself. You're not making anybody happy. You're not happy. I'm playing all this up, by the way. I don't really do crazy, stupid stuff like that. But no joke, seriously, my thumb really is. The thumb really is kind of bothering me with that thing. That's like 3 or 4 times today alone. It's got to stop that. I can't be having that happen. I'll take a chicken wing over that shit. Oh, crap, I don't know where that came from. I'm going to go ahead and call it tonight. I know this is a little slow or faster session than usual, but I don't know. I don't want to keep throwing terrible ass throws. They'll eventually wear me down a little bit, and I don't want to do that today. I feel pretty good, you know. Hopefully the meds are going to be better next few days, but so far I feel pretty even, if whatever that is. Better than yesterday. Being volatile like that is for the birds. Anyway, so, 9/19 is pretty good. See you tomorrow.